Hello, we are now going to retest and demonstrate. It is now 200 grams. I am now going to fill 1000 grams.
Well, input 1000, then set a pulse value first, and now let's discharge once to take a look.
The pulse has changed again. Now it is 927 grams and it's inaccurate. We are now in automatic mode.
This pulse will still change.
Then this pulse will change automatically because it was set to 10,000 just now.
Then we'll dispense again.
And now it's exactly 1 kilogram. Good. Then the pulse is this value, and then you can switch. Now you can switch to the quantitative mode. Okay, here you can switch to the quantitative mode and start filling. That is to say, try a few bags first. If it stabilizes around 1 kilogram, then you can switch to the quantitative mode.
Now we switch to 800 grams.
Ignore it. It will automatically.
Now we will dispense once.
Now 927 grams, and then this pulse value changed again. Okay, then we continue to dispense once more. Okay. And now 800, which means after trying a few times and stabilizing, we can adjust to the fixed quantity mode. This is without changing the screw, changing the filling weight.